So our closeout process for all of our jobs starts on site. The first thing that we do is we do a final walkthrough with the customer. Sometimes that's the installer on site. So if it's an electrician, we typically have them do a final walkthrough with the customer. If it's a larger project like a deck or a patio cover, usually one of our FQMs, our field quality managers, will schedule a time to come out, do a final walkthrough of the project with the customer. And at that time, we do what's called a zero defects checklist. This checklist is something that our guys go through just to make sure that they got everything done in accordance with PCF's processes. Then our CCMs will submit all of our applicable warranty application stuff. They'll send over an email with all of your warranty information on how to maintain your product and how to clean your products, and who to call in the event that you need warranty work done.
People come first, construction, making your outdoor space